let's give briefing to my 4-month-old baby. And I'm crying already. He's going to daycare tomorrow. And you just farted. You just farted. I heard you. Okay. Your fart smells bad, by the way. Okay, Johan? You will go to daycare tomorrow. Okay? They will pick you up here. And then daddy will go with you. You'll be a good boy there, okay? It's like baby school, but for little babies like you. No? So, Johan, look at mommy. Johan, look at mommy. Tomorrow, you will be there with your new ate who will take care of you. So you will just drink your milk and do naps there. Okay? And then you will be there so that they will not have hard time taking care of you. Okay, Johan? Don't cry too much there. Okay? So mommy will not have hard time also. Okay? Vitamins. Say ah. Say ah. Ah. Change diaper. Okay? Puno na ang diaper ng baby. Clothes. Yay! Tickle. Hey, bagong palit na si Johan. Fresh na ikaw. What time, Johan? Finish. Toy time na. Baby. Playtime. Oh, sige, time yun. Get it. Yes! Di ba? Good morning. Ay, good afternoon pala. Tapos naman na pang baby na yan. Pwede na si Johan ko.